All right, so today we're going to continue with what we worked on yesterday. We're working on factoring, quadratic, trinomials. All right, and again, this is just one of those things. It takes practice, practice, practice. So make sure you're doing this stuff because we're just going to keep building off of it. So first up, I'm going to try and go through some of these where I list out factors to the C term that has a lot of factors here. Okay, so the first thing we're doing here, we're looking for factors of 36 and a sum of 15. All right, so this third term here, the constant, that's going to drive your problem. So again, 36, your factors, 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. Be methodic in how you list your factors here. Okay, notice, in my head I'm going, does 2 go into 36? Does 3 go in? Does 4 go in? Does 5 go in? Does 6 go in? Be methodical so you don't miss any factors. So, which of my factors here add up to 15? 3 and 12. So you're going to factor in x plus 3 times x plus 12. The order doesn't matter. If you want to have x plus 12 times x plus 3, that's fine. So again, that is your answer right there. If you multiply it all out, just to check this, you get x squared plus 12x plus 3x plus 36. And right there is your 15x right in the middle. Okay, so again, we're just doing reverse of what we did last chapter. Let's do another one like that. So x squared plus 19x plus 48. Again, first thing I'm doing in this problem, factors of 48. 1 times 48, 2 times 24, 3 times 16, 4 times 12, 6 times 8, and that's it. So which one? So again, factors of 48, sum of 19. So it's going to be my 3 and 16 here. So we'll go x plus 16 times x plus 3. Put my bigger number first this time. Again, doesn't matter. If you multiply it all out, you'd end up with x squared plus 3x plus 16x plus 48. Right there's your 19x. All right. So next up here, let's go with so we're going to go minus 12x plus 20. Again, this is a positive 20, so my factors are going to be the same sign, either both positive or both negative. So with 20, you have 1 times 20, 2 times 10, or 4 times 5. And which ones add up to 12? Your 2 times 10. So that's what I'm saying. Like, the biggest thing I do is just list your factors here. But we need a negative 12x, so we're going to factor it in x minus 2 times x minus 10. Again, that's your answer. Check it. When you multiply them out, x times x is x squared. X times the negative 10 is minus 10x, minus 2x. And then at the end here, negative 2 times negative 10 is plus 20. And here's my minus 12x in the middle there. All right. Got 3 more of these I want to go over with you. So in this one, again, 24. List your factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, 4 times 6. Again, look at how I'm listing all my factors. 1, 2, 4. Just go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, be methodical in how you're listing those factors. All I'm doing is thinking, does 2 go into 24? Does 3 go into 24? Does 4 go into 24? And so on. Which ones add up to 14? 2 times 12. So again, that's your answer. If you want check it. X squared minus 12x minus 2x plus 24 in the end. 14x on the end there. Okay. Two more, like I said. So in this one, I just want to go over one of these where we use 1 in itself. So your factors of 12, 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. But we need them to add up to 13. Again, factors of 12, sum of 13. So 1 and 12 are going to go x minus 1 times x minus 12. And again, when you multiply them out, x squared minus 12x minus 1x, negative 1 times negative 12 is positive 12, and right there is my negative 13x. Okay, so just trying to summarize everything. We did one of these yesterday. Do another one today here. So two very similar looking problems. You're looking for factors of 16 in both and a sum of 10. So in this one, positive, positive, so it's going to go x plus 2 times x plus 8 plus plus, plus plus, plus plus. This one you need a negative 10, so we're going to factor in x minus 2 times x minus 8. Okay, so just a good contrast of the two types of problems that we're looking at right now.